I started out on YouTube 5 years ago in April 2019, and I was stuck. My YouTube was not growing. I had no new subscribers, and I was very, very low on views. In this year, 2024, I decided that I was going to take a different turn. I really wanted to grow on YouTube, and I wanted to progress because I've been on this platform for 5 years now, and can be so devastating with putting in so much effort into content creation and not getting results out of it. So after making that brave decision, I started doing different things as to how to grow my channel. I did make a video on that. You can check that video right after you watch this video. A card will be up here which can link you to that video as well as at the end of the video. But I made a different decision to grow on YouTube, and I took certain steps, and ever since I have been growing. I have grown from 300 subscribers currently to 1,000 or over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for it. But anyway, that is not like the major bone of contention of this video. The major thing that I want to talk about today is, having been on YouTube platform for 5 consecutive years, is it even worth it? Putting in all the efforts in content creation and putting it out online for people to consume, is it even worth it? Is it worth it at all? Well, here I'm going to be letting you know some things that YouTube has been able to provide me with in the last 5 years that has helped me scale my life in general. I'm a mom of 2 kids and I have a family, and being on YouTube has really helped me in ways that I didn't imagine. I mean, having to wake up every day to follow through a routine of having to create content for people to consume has helped me in so many ways in my home as a mom who has to wake up to cater for her kids daily, and in my business. And also generally, I've become a better communicator in the last 5 years. I've been able to show up here, put out my camera, and just be able to talk and share knowledge as to the things that I know, just be able to encourage people while, we go. And also, I have been able to hit the 1,000 subscribers and soon to get monetized on this platform. So I have just been able to evolve. My life has changed in general. That consistency of having to wake up every morning to film or to record a video, to create scripts, to map out our different content strategies, do lots of researches, enhancing my editing skills in the use of Canva, CapCut, and other editing apps that helps me to create content here. This has changed my life, transformed my life for the positive. And, I've been able to also, make my research around creating digital products. I have a couple of freebies. You can check that out in the link in this video. I have a freebie on influencer, a package, a freebie on personal branding, as well as, a style guide on, anyone who would like to, just transform their personal brand style. They'll all be in the description. You guys can check out the link. And also going further, I'm also at the point where I'm creating certain digital courses, which, without the use of having been on YouTube, all this would have really not been possible, because I've come to this point where, I'm on a journey and my journey keeps progressing. Just because I have to come out here, I have to sit down and map out content strategies and, make lots of researches that helps me grow on the platform. So if you ask me if YouTube is worth it today, I would say, go get your phone, go get a tripod, sit down and record your first video. You'll be so surprised as to the changes that will occur when you sit down in front of, your camera to speak. It will be a life-changing experience for you that you will never forget. Don't talk about talk less of the fact that you can also make money on YouTube. I mean, you can make over $1,000 on YouTube on a monthly basis if you're making content that are relatable to people and, you're hitting all the criteria that is necessary to get monetized. So, is YouTube worth it in 2024? 1,000 over 1,000, yes. YouTube is worth it. I did make a video on the kinds of, content that you can start creating on YouTube if you're a newbie or if you've been here for a while, whatever. You can watch that video right here. See you in my next one.